Okay, so now we will do the core compression while lying down on your back, and we will at some point elevate our hips as well so that you notice the difference and see which one you prefer to continue with. Okay, so gently lying down on your back. We're not flipping back like as I was about to. So we are going into the side. We are sliding your hand up, and then we are rolling, tighten up the core, so keep it everything in, and rolling ourselves on the side. So this is the right way to make sure that you are performing your best, even without doing any exercise. Okay, have your feet slightly the same width as your shoulders, feet apart. Roll your shoulders back, lengthen your neck. Imagine you have a string attached to your head and it's pulling it up. So what you want to do is place your hands onto your belly, and I want you to roll your pelvis basically forward and backward. Start with always full range of motion, and then we decrease the range of motion 50%, and then 30%, 20%, and it's becoming like still, like a warm, calm and warm ocean. There you go. So now you have found a neutral position with your spine, which is what we need. Okay, so you are in a perfect position. Knees are slightly wider apart. So now you will place your hands, and we'll do a couple of full belly breaths, 3 times belly breathing, so that you sense the difference. Opening the jaw and exhale. When you perform this, nothing happens in your lower back, like 0. Now, next one, we will either have a short inhale and exhale. We will start our compression. Ready? So think about it as knitting and pushing it towards your spine. So it's exhale, exhale. Tighter, tighter. Tighter and tighter. Short out breath and exhale. Keep going, keep doing it. Imagining that these deep core muscles are tightening from the inside. This corset, yes, so it's tighter, tighter. Inhale, tighter, tighter. So it's not fully expanding, but it's inhale, tighter and tighter. And keep going. Join your Kegels now. Inhale, exhale. Remember, when you do Kegels, you should not feel any glutes connecting, contracting or anything. It's just the internal part when you are stopping yourself to go to toilet, both directions, okay? Inhale. It's very different to the ribcage breathing, but this is also important part. Good. Work those Kegel muscles, work those internal muscles, as well as your core TVA, okay, that surrounds you. Keep going. I know it's so many things to think about, but just focus on these 2. If you forget Kegels, focus on core and then join the Kegels like we just did in this video. Tighter, tighter. Exhale, exhale. Jaw is open, relaxed. You're doing so well. Good. Beautiful. Tighter, tighter, knitting it in. You can place your both fingers on your hip bones. And as you exhale, tighter, tighter, start feeling it. What's happening here? Is my pelvis working? and you might notice there's some tensioning here, which is great. So your upper muscles are not as involved as the internal ones. Okay, and exhale, exhale. Together with your Kegels, going up to the 10th floor, back to the 0, 5th, 10, back to the 0, 5th, 10, back to the 0, 5th, 10. Keep going. Beautiful. And last one. Beautiful. Now it's time for progression. Now that you connected with this, now I want you to elevate. You will elevate your hips slightly above the surface, okay? And what it does, it helps for the gravity to help to connect with your pelvic floor muscles, and you will perform the same thing, okay? Exhale, exhale. Tighter, tighter. If for any reason this does not feel comfortable to you, return and bring your hips down onto the floor. Tighter, tighter. Can I squeeze my pelvic floor muscles? Do I feel them? You should not feel any clenching in your glute area. They're just keeping up, and that's about it. You're also releasing your hip flexors. Tighter, tighter. Tighter, tighter. Jaw is open. Exhale, exhale. Exhale, exhale. Good. Keep going. And 3 more. If you need to close your eyes to connect more with your body, tighter and tighter, 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 and slowly bring your hips down onto the floor. Excellent. If you want to come up, you have to bring your hand up, roll to the side, make sure your head is supported, and use this hand, tighten up your core, so pull that belly upwards, inwards, around. Use your hand to pull yourself up into this side plank positioning. And then you will roll onto your 4-point kneeling slowly. And then you will come up, one leg up, and you're ready to stand up. Okay, I hope this was amazing for you. If you don't feel anything, if you feel anything suspicious, stop doing it. You know that you have to make sure that you feel good doing these exercises. And I will see you on the next one.